Hello, I'm Brian Essick from How to Automotive, and today's video is all about the brand new Milwaukee Tools M12 straight die grinder. So stay tuned for that. So in the kit, you're going to get the tool, two 2-amp-hour batteries, and a charger and a carrying bag with 2 wrenches to operate the chuck. The tool itself is pretty much very similar to its original right angle die grinder. The only difference is it has, instead of having 4 modes like the right angle die grinder has, this one has 3 modes. The 3 modes is 10,000 RPMs. So you flip the switch here, 10,000 RPMs, it'll spin that. Next, mode 2 is 15,000 RPMs. And in mode 3, it'll run at 21,000 RPMs. So mode 3 is your main cutting surface. The other 2 are just for more fine tune or for different types of applications such as wire wheels and stuff that where you don't want it to spin as fast. And it has the standard variable trigger. It has a safety lock on it, and it has a fuel gauge. So not much difference. It's the same style chuck. It has a nice LED light that lights up right onto the cutting surface, which is pretty good. So I got the opportunity to put it to work and use it on a couple jobs this week. So I thought I'd share that with you now. So take a look at these clips. Before I showed it to you in action, I wanted to do a little side-by-side comparison with the pneumatic version and the new right angle die grinder that came out a few months ago. So as you can see, they are a little bit larger than the original pneumatic versions, but these are the smallest die grinders on the market that are battery powered. So in this clip, I'm using a sanding bit to deburr the inside of a ball joint that I did on a Ford. So this is a sanding disc. I got the power turned down to power level 1, and I just use it to deburr and clean out the inside bore of the ball joints right. So when I go to press them in, they go in right nice and easy. So in the next clip, I wanted to demonstrate how strong it is, and I wanted to cut some hardened steel. So I found a bearing race that I wanted to cut off a hub. This is scrap metal. I'm not reusing it. I'm just demonstrating that it could cut hardened steel. So I'm just using a cutoff wheel and cutting at an angle here to cut the bearing race off. And what I'll do is I'll cut it about 3/4 of the way through, and then use a punch, and I'll crack it with a hammer and chisel. And then once I crack the hardened race, it should be able to pull it off by hand. So this is some of the applications that you can use the die grinder for. You can use it in body work, cutting panels off. It has all kinds of uses. So once I get this panel off, you can see the close-up view of the bearing race here and how it cut right through it. So the die grinder is scheduled to be released February 20th, 2020. So look for it in your local stores such as Home Depot and other retailers like that. I'm Brian Essick from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.